congratulation now entering the arena.
Following the adult high school, the order of the candidates will be the School of Business, School of Media and Creative Arts, School of Health Sciences, School of Liberal Arts and Sciences, and School of Technology and Applied Sciences.
From the adult high school with scholastic honors, Anna Gonzalez.
Kalia Arroyo.
Delaney Cundy.
Tiffany McKinney.
With scholastic honors, Manuela Wells.
Elsa Omido.
Mari Vargas.
Bernardo Ortega.
With scholastic honors, C. Laura Yang.
Alexandria Selman.
Accounting, Laura Ann Baldwin.
With scholastic